this is what our conucos area with all the cucumbers looks like. So there's cucumbers everywhere, and squash, and all of these, the same family, you know, the squash, the cucumber, zucchini, eggplant, they're all growing and flowering. So amazing news. Look at this. Eli just noticed that we have the first cucumber growing right there. So isn't that amazing? Oh, we have pollinators. I just saw a bee moving around. So yeah, with cucumbers you have to make sure that they're all either like holding on to something. These cucumbers here started going toward the irises and they were grabbing them, so I had to turn them around and just kind of put them together so they can grow up the cage. On the other side we have cucumbers who were going to start hanging on to our pepper plants, so we had them hold on to that. It looks like they're growing up that cage. So actually, upon closer inspection, we see that we have tons of little cucumbers already growing. So I'm going to get closer over here so you can see. And look at that guy right there. Very cool. And look at this guy. And there was a funny looking one that I saw. I'll have to, oh, look at that. A couple there, maybe 3. Wow, they're already everywhere. Here's another one. They've been growing surreptitiously everywhere. There's another one. Let's see if I can, yep, right there. They're growing in funny shapes. Oh, there's another one right there.